Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show some ideas for WRO2024 senior competition. I support Team P.I.X.A.L, who took part in the Swiss final. Here are some of the things we tried out. Driving over the obstacles may be a requirement. We found that a four-wheel drive gave reliable results. With a normal two-wheel drive, anything could happen. The four-wheel drive is easily constructed using gears to connect the wheels. Now let's look at the bridge. With a four-wheel drive, the robot drives over and back with no problem. With a two-wheel drive, there is a problem driving back over the bridge. This robot has only two-wheel drive, but has a different wheel configuration which works well in both directions. We then thought about making a robot wide enough to carry some kind of a lift and grabber for the house parts. This shows a four-wheel driving base where the motors are mounted between the driving wheels and connected by gears. With a lift and grabber, it just about got over the bridge, but we decided to forget the bridge for the time being. Turning with a four-wheel drive was not very accurate as the wheels slipped during the turn, so we decided to continue without the four-wheel drive. A different strategy is to remove the barrier to access the building blocks and then replace it afterwards. A simple lift mechanism was added to the back of the robot, driven by the main lift. This worked quite well. The disadvantage was that it took a long time just to pick up two house parts. The main part of the competition was to pick up the house parts and build the towers with the right colours in the right places. We tried several different robot designs, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. Once we settled on a robot design, we started to think about the strategy. Here we picked up two red and two yellow house parts and dropped them in the correct positions. We found it difficult to pick up the remaining red and yellow blocks and drop them accurately on top of the blocks already in position. We then tried a different strategy where we first picked up all four red blocks and dropped them, then all four yellow blocks. The robot has to travel further, but we found this to be our best strategy. We could use the house element grabber to collect the four debris elements and made a flipper driven by the lift gears for the water pipes. Team P.I.X.A.L came first in their regional competition in Winterthur, Switzerland. On a successful run, their robot fixed both water pipes and moved all debris elements to the collection area. It also built the red and yellow towers and a third tower of green and blue elements. If by chance all four elements are the same color, the total is 123 points. Otherwise, with mixed green and blue elements, 115 points. If you found this video interesting, why not subscribe to my channel? In the playlist attached here, you will find other videos about Spike Prime robot construction and programming.